Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to express a fraction as a decimal using the long division method. Let's get started. First, let's understand what a fraction really means. A fraction is actually a division. That little line in the middle, it means divide. So the fraction 3/4, 3/4, means 3 divided by 4. We write it as 3 divided by 4. Now 3 is smaller than 4, so we can't divide it directly. Don't worry. We simply add a decimal point and some zeros, and then we keep dividing. The answer we get is the decimal form of the fraction. Easy, right? Here is our question. Express the fraction 3/4 as a decimal. We must use the long division method to show our working. All right, let's set up the long division. We put the numerator 3 inside and the denominator 4 outside. Now 4 cannot go into 3, so we write 0, then a decimal point. We add a 0 to make 30. 4 goes into 37 times. 7 times 4 is 28. 30 minus 28 leaves a remainder of 2. We bring down another 0 to make 20. 4 goes into 25 times exactly. 5 times 4 is 20. 20 minus 20 equals 0. There is no remainder, so we stop. Do you see? 3 divided by 4 equals 0.75. So now we can state our answer. The fraction 3/4 expressed as a decimal is 0.75. Well done! Let's remember the key steps. A fraction means the numerator divided by the denominator. We set up long division with the numerator inside and the denominator outside. We add a decimal point and zeros to the numerator so we can keep dividing. We keep dividing until there is no remainder or until the pattern is clear. And so, 3/4 equals 0.75. Great job today, everyone. Keep practicing.